Welcome to Grand Online Academy. I am Dr. Abdirsaaq, and today we have a special lesson. This lesson is about common social expressions. So you tend to use these social expressions in many social situations. So before we get down into the lesson, I'd like you to share the video and also give us a like. The other thing I want to share with you is that we're taking new online English classes, Arabic classes, and pharmacology. So if you are interested, you can contact us through the numbers that we put with the video. So let's get to the lesson. Common social expressions. ووحيابها أما expressions وكوا aadka loo isticmaalo xaaladaha ay bulshada wada kulanto isku timaado. If you have a friend, for example, so you tend to use these expressions quite often. So I want you to put these, social expressions in examples in the comments down below. So share that with us. Number one, I ran into my friend last week. I ran into my friend last week. Ran into معناها waxa weeye markaad qof si kid soo kulantaan and then you talk about something, so you met with a person that you did not expect to meet with. qof aanad qorshayn inaad la kulanto, markaad la kulanto, that's called ran into. I ran into an old friend yesterday. Shalay waxaan la kulmay saaxiib hore ayaan la kulmay, old friend. Ran into. But the thing is, you did not plan this at all. waxaad qorshaysay maaha. Okay, number two. We decided to hang out, get together, meet up. So all these words, they have the same meaning. Waa isku wada macno weyn. We decided to hang out, get together, meet up. Waxaan go'aansanay inaan kulanno. So this is informal and usually is used between friends. Asxaabta kala raagta ayaa hang out, way wada kulmaan, waqti bay qaadanayaan, and then they will take their time. Marka waa hang out, get together, isku nimaadno, meet up, and kulanno. So they all have the same meaning. And also I want you to put these words in examples and share that with us in the comments down below. Okay, and also the other thing I want to share with you again, in case you missed it last time, we started new online English classes as well as Arabic classes and also pharmacology. So it's important that you join these classes so you could study a lot and your English could get better. And also pharmacology, which is the study of medications and the way that you can treat patients with such medications. So make sure that you contact us and we will give you full information about these topics. So we decided to hang out, get together or meet up. Number three, we were both up for, in the mood of going out. So we were both up for. What are you up for? maxaad danaynaysaa weeyaan. In the mood, waxaan jeclaysanaya of going out. I'm up for, waxaan diyaar u ahay inaan baxno. Going out, especially at night. If you go out, you're going out with friends, and then you are definitely going to eat out. Dibadda wax ka soo cunaysaa, ma doonaysid inaad joogto shaqada ama guriga, you're not feeling like that. What you're up for is to go out. I hope you get that. Number four, my friend and I grabbed a bite. My friend and I grabbed a food. Marka grabbed a bite, marka my friend and I, it's very important. If you're talking about someone else, qof kale hadaad ka hadlayso in English, it's important that you put the other person forward. Qofkan kale ayaad iska horeysinaysaa. That's considered more polite. Way qurux badan tahay inaad saa tiraa. You cannot say me and my friend. You cannot say that. Put the other person forward. So my friend and I grabbed a bite. Waxaan cunaan doonanay. Cuntaan dibadda ugu baxnay soo qaadanay. We grabbed a bite. Number five, we caught up and had a chat about our lives. So catch up or caught. This is the past right now. We caught up. waxa weeyaan qof aad muddo kala maqnaydeen. Let's say 3 months, 4 months aad kala maqnaydeen baad kulanteen. So then what happened? What happened is qofkii waad sheekaysansan. Noloshaada sidii weeyaan. What do you do right now? And are you married or still single? So what do you do nowadays? So you're catching up with a person. Qofkii waad la qabsanaysaa, noloshiisiiba dib la qabsanaysaa, waad ka dhacday, and then you're catching up right now. So, and had a chat about our lives. No shay baan iska wareysanay. So this is probably an old friend. Okay, number 6. I will let you know when I'm free tonight. So qof baad is aragteen, and then let's say these two people, labada qof baa wada hadlay, and kadib markay kala tageen, one of them said, I will let you know. Waxaan ku soo ogeysiin doonaa. I will keep you updated. Waxaan kuu soo sheegi doonaa when I'm free tonight. And also in the other way around, you could say, let me know when you're free. Let me know when you're free. So that is the end of the lesson. Let's recap the whole thing one more time. We will speak pure English this time and just try to catch up. I ran into my friend last week. We decided to hang out or get together or meet up. We were both up for in the mood of going out. My friend and I grabbed a bite. We caught up and had a chat about our lives. I will let you know when I'm free tonight. So the lesson is very short. I hope you've been following along. And also the other important thing I want to share with you is I have to repeat this again. We are taking new online English classes, Arabic classes, as well as pharmacology classes. So you can contact us and then we will give you full information, how you can register, how you're taking the classes and all that. So that is the end of the lesson. I hope this lesson will be very helpful. Share the video, give us a like, and also in the comments, put these social expressions, the underlined ones, in examples, and then we will correct you in case you make a mistake in the comments. See you next time. Goodbye.